Hey Jingles, welcome back to Home Cook. Today's recipe is banana muffins. Take 4 small bananas or 2 big bananas. Mash it well. In a separate bowl, break 2 large eggs. Mix them well. Add the mashed bananas into it and mix well. Now add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of honey. Add maida and mix it. Add 1/4 cup of ghee, vanilla essence, ground cinnamon. Mix them well until everything is well combined. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Give a final mix to it. Grease the muffin tin and scoop the batter. The batter level should be about 2/3 full. Last but not the least, add the choco chips or nuts of your choice. Bake at 170° in a preheated oven for about 15 minutes or in a microwave convection for 5 minutes. Let them cool for few minutes and then you can try your yummy baked banana muffins. Kindly like, share and subscribe our channel for regular recipes.